Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Capgemini, important video for all of you. I received a lot of queries that how to do Aadhaar verification. We are facing lot of error. So make one video in which you will tell about the step by step process. So in the video we will discuss about the official step that is mentioned by company itself. Okay. So like and share the video, apply for all opportunities. And one thing, soon I will come up with specific preparation videos for this because I want that you guys can crack this opportunity. Already shared two videos, Capgemini XLR and step by step registration process, Capgemini resume format. So no need to worry about that. Our official LinkedIn post contains a official apply link with the notification resume format apply link, must apply. Okay. So already they mention in the that candidate must have an active DigiLocker account and active mobile number linked with their Aadhaar number while applying for job. Okay. DigiLocker account in which all your documents are there, including Aadhaar card and other details. You can search about DigiLocker. And your mobile number, active mobile number means the mobile number is on, you are using with their Aadhaar number while applying for the job. Okay. Refer to attached PDF for detailed walk-in through the process. This is Aadhaar card verification. So how to do the Aadhaar card verification? Comprehensive step-by-step guide for Aadhaar verification. There is no so much rocket science in this. It's a simple process. When you click on the apply now button, proceed to continue, then it will show click on the checkbox with agree terms and condition, click on verify Aadhaar to proceed. That Meri Pehchan by DigiLocker will be open, sign Z. Okay, you have to mention the number. Okay, you will be signed for DigiLocker account, enter Aadhaar card number and captcha. Click on next to proceed on the next option. Okay, so like the verification of your Aadhaar card is seamlessly conducted through SignZ via DigiLocker. Okay, it is imperative process an active DigiLocker account with valid Aadhaar card number to facilitate the verification process. Then SignZ UIDAI will send you a temporary OTP for the 10 minutes. You have to OTP registered. Okay, like you have to registered, you have to mention the OTP which you registered on your mobile number to continue. You have already registered with DigiLocker account. Now the six digit security pin will be there. Otherwise you can click on forget security pin to initiate the process of resetting the pin. Okay, fine. Next is related to click on allow for providing access to DigiLocker. When you click on allow option, you are providing your consent to share DigiLocker documents with SignZ. After that, this type of document will be shown. Issue document, Aadhaar card, driving license, PAN verification. Consent for sharing the Aadhaar information on verification and click on allow to proceed. Then DigiLocker authorized success message post DigiLocker account and Aadhaar verification successful completed, like this. Okay. Step number 7 is upon fetching Superset cross verify with the user profile. If discrepancy arises, the system highlight them as shown in the screenshot. Okay. Name, date of birth and gender must precisely match the Aadhaar database for successfully processing the job application. If the data mismatch occur, the system will request a user to update the information according to their Aadhaar card. Okay. There clearly mentioned. And ensure precise alignment of your Superset information with the Aadhaar database. Grant consent for Superset profile update by clicking the checkbox. Suppose if it's not working, means it is reloading, so you can do in the incognito mode. Okay, you can try. If Aadhaar verification fail, a pop-up akin to one in the screenshot you will be appear. Your application will be proceed, only Aadhaar successful verification will be there. Okay, this is a frequently asked question. My registered name on Superset is not per Aadhaar card. In case your name is not updated in Aadhaar card, we request you to update your Aadhaar information. Okay. Can I verify someone? No. Where my Aadhaar details are incorrect? Aadhaar verification. What if my OTP expired? How can I update? If the verification is failed, you have to enter the correct Aadhaar detail, check for typos or error. If the issue persists, reach out to Superset help. Okay, they clearly mention if this issue will be persist, you can go to Superset. Okay, like Superset help, like this. What we can say that helpline number or help support. Okay, yes, you can go to this Superset support. Okay, where you will find this is a student related for student. I am a student, you can choose, and where you can log in, or you can raise ticket for that. Okay, I am applying job long issues while login to the, I am facing issue while registering on the Superset. Okay, so multiple things are there, so you can like check, and if the same thing will be happen, I suggest you Superset team will support you, means they will share the update related to that. But this is a comprehensive steps. I hope you find this video well. Thanks for watching the video.